Hello mga ka-neverhood! Welcome to Japan Diaries with Hazel, your channel for everything about Japan, especially stories from a Filipina living here. Kung gusto mong malaman kung ano ang mga hidden gems at best spots na matatagpuan sa Japan, especially dito po sa Gotemba, well, swak na swak ang channel na to. Today, samahan niyo ako, of course, dito sa Gotemba guys, kung saan i-share ko sa inyo ang must-visit izakaya na meron dito sa Gotemba. And my first stop ay ang Akari. Isa siyang izakaya na matatagpuan sa basement ng D1 building sa harapan lang po ng Gotemba Iki Station. Kung fresh seafood ang hanap mo, perfect na place ito. Akari is famous for its fresh seafood at talagang patok siya sa mga locals at turista. You've got everything from sashimi, sea urchin, na talaga namang hindi ko na maitatago na paborito ko ito. Fresh sea urchin. Ang milky taste nito, grabe, napaka-creamy guys. At fantastic, talagang mapapawaw ka talaga. Parang bawat subo mo, may beach vibe, o diba? And of course, hindi pwedeng mawawala ang mga side dish appetizers na perfect partner para gumana ang lamon mo. And yes, every bite is pure satisfaction, ika nga. I swear, hindi mo na kailangang maghanap pa ng ilang seafood. Ito pa lang, ayan, sulit na. This is a winner talaga. And aside from the seafood, Akari also serves a variety of grilled dishes like yakitori and rice bowl. So may choices ka for every craving. Ang saya, diba? So kung ikaw ay seafood lover at talaga namang hanap mong sulit na mukbang ng seafoods, you've got everything here. And if you're into hot pot, they serve seafood hot pot that will surely fill you up and make your taste buds happy. O diba bongga? At alam niyo ba, there's one dish na talagang nagpapabalik sa akin sa memories ko bilang bata way back po nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. Ang sea grapes. When I first tried it here, it reminded me so much of my childhood. Kaloka. The texture, the taste, it's just amazing. Alam nyo guys, super cozy at welcoming ng vibe dito sa Akari. It's a perfect spot to relax after a long day of exploring Gotemba. And the prices are pretty reasonable for the quality of food you're getting. O diba bongga? So if you're in Gotemba and craving fresh seafood in a cozy setting, don't forget to check out Akari. And guys, our next stop is Amairo Shukudo. So, isa po itong izakaya restaurant na matatagpuan po along Nakabata, Gotemba. Kung gusto mong mag-bonding with friends or family habang enjoying their homemade tasting dishes, this place is perfect for you. Isa po ang Amairo Shukudo sa mga kilalang izakaya restaurant dito sa Gotemba. Actually, na-feature na po siya sa isang kilalang TV program dito sa Shizuoka na talaga namang loved by the locals and for good reason. Just like Akari, nagsiserve din po sila ng fresh seafoods. But the best part, yung may-ari po mismo ang naghuhuli ng isda o namimingwit ng isda to personally serve the freshly caught fish from the ocean every morning. Imagine, fresh fish straight from the sea to your plate that the same day. O diba bongga? Bawat subo mo at kagat, ocean vibe lang naman. So, if you're a seafood lover at kung naghahanap ka ng freshness na matitikman sa bawat kagat, Amairo na ang sagot. Mula sa kanilang fresh catch fish of the day hanggang sa sashimi at hot pot na parang diretso pagaling sa dagat. try mo yung burishabu nila. Mga besh, perfectly cooked, juicy, and sobrang satisfying. Hindi mo aakalain kung gaano ka-fresh. Tapos yung oysters, grabe, ang laki. Ang sarap na parang kahapon lang galing sa dagat. Pero guess what? Hindi ka mababankrupt. Affordable na, pero social. Parang super size na Happy Meal. Hindi lang super sulit, pati presyo, di ka manghihinayang. Kasi dito, di lang chill ay yung atmosphere, pati yung food, chill na, sulit pa. And if gusto mo ng something unique, try mo yung Pinoy tuna kinilaw nila na may Japanese twist. Aba, parang fusion ng love ng Japan at Pilipinas. Tapos masarap pa, swak na swak sa panlasa, promise. Dito, parang feeling mo nasa bahay ka lang, tapos may food trip ka na super sarap. Kaya next time nagutom ka at gusto mo ng fresh, masarap at super worth it na meal, may iro na. Hindi lang fresh, kundi fresh na fresh at super friendly pa sa wallet. At aside sa seafood lovers dyan, kung kayo po'y mahilig uminom, don't worry. My ear got you covered. Sobrang dami ng choices ng alcohol nila, guys. Tapos yung Nihonsho, Japanese sake nila, perfect pang tanggal uhaw. Para kang may fine dining experience habang nagsuswimming sa seafood. O diba bongga? At ang pinakabongga, yung vibe sa Amairo, para kang nasa bahay mo lang. Pero may cool factor. Lahat, from the food to the ambience, feels like home, pero mas masaya. Kung naghahanap ka ng great food, chill na atmosphere, at affordable prices, dito na. At alam niyo ba mga besh, hindi lang po dinner ang special sa Amairo. Meron din po silang lunch menu. Yes po, nagsiserve din po sila or open po sila during lunch. So if you're hungry for something crispy and juicy, you gotta try their karagi set meal. Grabe, it's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. If it doesn't make you smile, then I don't know what will. Seriously, itry nyo and you'll definitely fall in love with the place. So if you're a local na nandito sa Gotemba, hindi pwedeng hindi mo matry ang Amairo. Kung turista ka naman o traveler at naghahanap ka ng authentic local eats, tapos gusto mo pa ng chill vibes, Amairo na yan. Freshness, homey feels at budget friendly na hindi ka magugulat sa bill. Perfect combo, diba? Seriously, if you're not here yet, ano pang hinihintay mo? Amairo is calling your name. So get ready to eat, drink, and have a blast. So ayan guys, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ko today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. Dito sa Japan Diaries with Hazel, marami pang exciting content about Japan. From food, travel tips, and everything in between. Kaya kung gusto mo pa ng mga adventures and di patapos ang food trip, subscribe na and join the family. So thank you all for watching guys. God bless everyone!
What's that?
We're here again and again.
Now, there's a saying